Thank you. Okay. Oh, one look at him. I don't swear. When I grow, this is what I do now, guy. Till I grow now, when I go see. I get plan. I must get nowhere at all. Eze Ugonna one, in Nigeria, the tallest gentleman, on our sponsor, Monday basketball, everybody. You have to look up to see him. If you don't see anybody very tall, where is he? How can you be tall and fall now? Sometimes when I see ladies that are married to rich, successful Nigerians, I want to be a woman, really. I'm not going back. Mr. Charles Depanard, CEO, ATM Transshipping Agency, Brussels and Belgium, the whole. Mr. Charles Depanard. Charles is his name. Depanard happens to be his business, and he solidifies it so much. It's well known in this. Mr. Charles himself, CEO, ATM Trans, and we will know ever. Chief Apparel. Chief Apparel is he here? Dawoche. Mgbe na agba mbọ ụmụ asị ụlọ mụ a na-ehi ụra bilite ọtọ biko ị ga-agba mbọ gbacha orugbo nnu. Kpọrọ ezi ori akụkọ bịa. Ọ bụ all this inconvenience ka a jiri last ọnụ ụlọ na-eri stamping. You big man, but it is at all. It's not easy to be successful. Every week you go there, you go there. That's it. One day, they go get Potaragan. No, that is hi. Now, there we go. That's okay, man. These are the patrons in Belgium here. We are not talking about a company owner, group of companies. Reverend Father Cornelius. Is the priest here? Okay, he's still on the way. Pascal HSRM. Pass the worldwide. Look up related, no? Pascal, they have now I will just try to swallow this one, no kubeke, because Afro World African Food Center, Osiri Iron Saw. Is Osiri here? Okay. Mr. Eric. These are achievers who don't want to be known, no big title, nothing. Mr. Eric is in here, still on the way. Chief and Mrs. Benson Eze. Chief and Mrs. Benson Eze. Are they here? Jonas Norom Petron, Olu Zonal Association, Olu. Okay. Mr. Jeff Ago and Nowhere, is he here? Afro Beauty Hair Care Center. Esther Ogo. He is, or Esther, she is one of the big sponsors of tonight's Gala show. Esther Ogo, is she here? Okay. The coordinator, sir.
A little bit faster, the night is already fast spent. Igor Petro. Igor Petro is one of the sponsors of this occasion, and this is his poster. He is in buy a car. If you want to do any business that is associated with cars, I would like you to have a look at this poster. And I think somewhere along the line, Mr. Igbo may want to talk to us. For he has gone the extra mile to contribute to the sponsorship of this gala night tonight. Mr. Igbo is already seated and will...
Okay, we have successfully or almost finished the names on this list.
Charles.
If by chance any of the people that will call that is not here come around, please pick him or her or tell us, please, we will take the person there. Everybody attention, we finish the names. This is a secret. These people will call there. We just know why we put them there and a punishment. This night now for we. We have to enjoy it to the fullest. Don't let them know this gossip, you understand? There's no way they will hear it. Let them there and then what I'm saying, we are now all inclusive. I'm calling on Igbo Union Brussels. Please, you are highly welcome. Igbo Union Ghent, you are highly welcome. Anambra United, Belgium, Uno Abela, Enugu Hilltop United, you are also welcome. Oluzona Association, Omunebona Derolo, Umuaha Development Union, we also greet you. Anyama Welfare Association, we also greet you. Mbese Union, you are highly welcome. Agriba Communal Improvement, Ndeju, you are all welcome here. Edo Association Belgium, please, you are highly welcome. Igbo Union Louvain, we are happy you are around. Ghana Welfare Association, it is God bless you. We've been partying all the time. You are welcome. Congolese Association Belgium, you are also welcome. Zambia Association, God bless you as you are here. And so many other organizations here. Please, anywhere you are, just taking that you are highly, highly welcome and we are happy to see you around. Please, anywhere you are, that's the please. God bless you. The whole world recognizes you. Thank you. And also recognize the presence of Sir Edwin. We fondly call him Edwin. You know him, he's a very quiet guy. Some call him Rabbi, whatever you like to call him. I call him Eddie Bongo. He's here. And all the faces here, God bless you as you sit and wait. Yeah.
As we are preparing to break our cola, I will call on the president of the Igbo Union, Antwerpen, to come to the table. However, I would have liked him, the guests, then he can talk to us. Meanwhile, while he is preparing himself and they are preparing the cola, I would like, well, when the time is there, IK will come and tell us what this television here is doing. So, yes, so please, why tell us what this television is doing here? But IK, you over there. Can we have the caller, please? So we will call on one of the elders of our people here, Mazi Ebadawaru, the one and only Africa. We will call on Chief Austin to offer this kola to our elder. Let the rites be observed. Please, I would like us to keep quiet and observe these rights of our people. Please, ndị Igbo nọ ihe a, unu kwanyere ugwu ka anyị mezie ya ma.
Mmiri dọrọ agba ọsọ wụ eziokwu maka a sị na ọgbama ọsọ ruo nke ọ ga-adọrọ ọ dọrọ ebe ọ ga-adọrọ ihe eji n'aka na-abụ simbụl iji gosi unu sị ọbịbịa unu bịara ebe a anyị nabatara ya afọ mbụ Chief Austin Igbenna on behalf of myself na ndị me na ha na-eje ozi na-eme ekishọs n'ihe ọbụla gbasara ndị Igbo na-ezu oke asị m biko ihe bụ n'aka abụọ ji na-eburu ebu ihe chairman of education maka ama na ọjị na ije na mgbede biko gbuo n'etiti ebe ọ nọ chairman sa
ngwa burunu nke iwe maazị Afrịka onye ọ daburu n'aka
biko dịka chairman of education ana m ekwu na ana m asị ndụ mmadụ ndụ nwoke na ndụ nwanyị ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ ọ ga-adịrị onye ndụ mma dịkwara onye adị mma na arọ ọfụ anyị na-achọ ịbanye udo anyị ga-eji udo ebe belu ugo belu aka nri kwụ aka ebe akwụ aka nri o ibe nna agụ n'ọfọ nke onye ji ọ nyere mmadụ nke ọ ga-enye ama akụ ya anyị ga-ejinụ n'afọ Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị. Ana m ekele ndị nze na ọzọ ị ga-eburu ọjị a enye ndị chiri ọzọ iwere ya na ichie anyị nwekwara ebe a ọzọ ibunye maazị ụba ka o were ọjị.
Brothers and friends in the persons of Mr. Innocent Iwejo and the Consular Wahab Akonde, our ebullient brother and friend in the person of Chief Ben Eronini, our elder and patron of Igbo Union, brothers, and Belgium, if I should say that, is important also in the person of Emeka Wanko. Our brothers, the chairman of Ghent, and Brussels. Our President Emeritus, in the person of my own brother, he's my brother, I know him very well, Sonny Oji, the chairman of Brussels and Ghent, in the persons of Lodonia Ado, and my very good friend, Smart, members of the high table, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of Igbo Union, here present, members of other communities fully represented here. It is my honor and privilege to welcome you to this very occasion. I want to tell you that your coming here is not in vain, for you are here to honor a people that are enterprising, humble, people that have done all it takes to project the interest of Igbos here in Belgium and in the diaspora. I want to thank you for making out your time to be here to honor this invitation. Igbo Union is an organization that is non-profitable, that has fought for the projection, preservation of the values of Igbo. Igbo Union is an organization that ruminates on the fact that we are brothers, even though we are far from home. Igbo Union imbibes the culture of Onyagala Wania Onubewana Baloso. That is to say that we are our brother's keepers. We have done so much to integrate our people down here, and we've done so much to unite our people. If you look around, you will see there are a lot of kids around us here. Before the rejuvenation of this great union or organization, our kids did not know where they come from. Often when you talk to them, they will tell you, I'm from Belgium, I'm from UK. But today, I can proudly tell you that our kids can stand firmly and tell you that they are Igbos. And I'm pleased to inform you that we have initiated an organization that handles the study of Igbo language in Belgium here. That also impacts in our kids the fact that we are coming from a place known and respected called Igbo land. Our kids today can integrate and interact with their brothers and sisters as one. Sufficient to say that we are doing things that would help us to protect all the good things we are known for as Igbo. Today, we are marking the end of year party Gala night. I will tell you it's not a night for rhetorics, but it's a night for us to know that we've done so much after so many years of being together. Today is a special day for all of us. And I would plead with you to stay with us calmly, to enjoy with us peacefully, and to take this day as a memorable day. I want to also use this opportunity to thank very many people that helped in one way or the other to make this day a blissful day. I would want to thank our brothers, our sisters, sponsors, owners of companies that contributed in one way or the other for us to be here today. And as I end this very little, non-rhetoric speech, I want us to enjoy this night. Though we might not have a lot to offer, but I pray that God would replenish your purse, that God will reward you accordingly as you have done marvelously for Igbo Union Antwerpen. Thank you and bless all of you.
Chairman of tonight's occasion, Mr. Ben Erudini, to give us his chairman speech, sir.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm going to continue the existing protocol. Thanking the representative of our embassy, ambassador of Nigeria, Minister Iwechua and Wahid Academy. Thank you very much for coming. I will also thank our host, the President of Igbo Union, Belgium, and all other executives. Thank you very much. Ndị Igbo kwenu, ndị Igbo dị na Belgium kwenu, kwezonu. Well, I salute you on this your invitation to me for this auspicious occasion. I promise you my presence here now. Happily, I'm with you in body and soul, enjoying and celebrating your well-prepared occasion. Thank God. I use this opportunity to wish you and your family a happy Christmas and a wonderful New Year 2014. It is said that Igbo people speak differently, but all Igbos are one. It is also said that if many urinate on one location, there shall be more than sufficient enough. I have every hope that the coming year, 2014, shall bring better relations, things, and goodness to people in Belgium. I thank you for inviting me, and thank you very much.
Thank you for your speech. He promised he will be here, and he's here right now.
All right, now we are going to call on the representatives of the Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria here to the Kingdom of Belgium. On behalf of His Excellency, Mr. Felix Awambo, our ambassador here, and also representing Nigeria in the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg and the EU, we would like to hear from Minister Wahab Akande.
Sorry, before we allow him to speak, I'm calling on the pastor.
Igbo kwenu, Nigeria kwenu,
Yeah.
Ezenu,
Yeah. Please a round of applause for doing easy. Thank you.
We are all Igbo this night. Everybody is Igbo here. So I'll try to speak little Igbo. But later on, I will pass the microphone on to my colleague who will speak the real Igbo. Well, this obviously is not a speech-making event. It's a merry-making event. So I will not bore you people with speech. I will only say that the ambassador has asked us to apologize that he could not be with you people physically. He nevertheless asked us to commend you people for organizing this event, which is now a yearly event. We were at the event last year in Brussels, the one that was organized in Brussels. And this year, we are here again in Antwerpen with you people. So the ambassador asked us to commend you people and to say that the embassy will continue to support you in this yearly event, which brings all Igbo together, which promotes the culture, like the union president said, is to promote the culture of oneness, the culture of being one brothers, being our brother's keeper, the culture of peace and unity. So the embassy is solidly behind you in all this. And he has also asked us to advise you to continue to live in peace with one another, to also live in peace with your host, the Belgium, because it's only in an atmosphere of peace that there can be development. So on this very short note, I will stop and call my colleague, Igbo, to say one or two words in Igbo. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, Monaka.
Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Rielu.
Yeah.
Nwanu.
Yeah.
Muanu.
Yeah.
Zuanu.
Yeah.
Kwezwenu.
Yeah. Oh. Konaka, one Igbo. Over there.
Biko, dịka ọga akọmesi kwuo, anyị si Brussels ebe nọchiri anya onye na-achị obodo anyị na Belgium, Ambassador Felix Awambo. Ndị Igbo Union nyere akwụkwọ ka ọbịa nọnyere ha n'emume mmechi afọ a unu na-eme ụbọchị taa. Ya bụrụ na o nweghị ike ime ebe a, ya mere o ji zite ndị na-eso na-arụ ọrụ enyere ya aka ka abịa nọnyere ya bụ Minista Akande na mụ akwụkwọ mmanụ ụlọ nwoke. Ịgwa gị eziokwu, obi dị onye isi anyị n'ala ụtọ maka mkpụrụ nyere ya si ọbịa nọdịrị ụlọ. Ya bụrụ n'ihi na oge eji mee ihe a awụchaghị oge ọ ga-enwe ike ịbịa n'onwe ya, ọrụ jizite anyị ka bịa nọnyere ya. Ọsọ anyị jere n'ozi ekele, ozi bi n'otu, ozi bi n'udo, kama na ihe a na-agba ndị Igbo nọ n'ala ụbọchị taa wụ onweghị karịrị nwanne na nwanne ibi n'udo. Ụlọ ma ogologo ka isi n'ala Naịjirịa bịa ebe a, ọ always take a Google and ihe ọbụla anyị dị hụrụ bịa n'obodo a site na amara Chineke anyị ga-enwetachi ya na-achịkọ n'obodo anyị bụ Naịjirịa. O nweghị onye obodo nke na-adịghị atọ ụtọ ọ site gbasara akụnụba nwere ọtụtụ ibe anyị ji hapụ obodo Naịjirịa bịa ebe a na-agbakarị mbọ dị iche iche site na amara Chineke anyị kpọtakwa naanị ebe a anyị ga-eme ike pụta nwere ọbụlaka ụlọ iji gwa anyị ndị ezinụlọ anyị si ihe anyị ga-adị ọta n'obodo Belgium. So ozi ekele ịkpasi na-enye ụlọ n'ụbọchị taa bụ unu na-ebi n'udo ihe ọbụla na-ere ụbọchị taa ego ọbụla ejiri mepụta oriri na ọṅụṅụ ga-ejiri mepụta ka ọ bụrụ ihe ga-aga n'udo ka ndị na-achị achị ebe a bụrụkwa ndị na-achị site na ntuli aka. Biko anyị na-ayọ unu unu were obi umeala na-emekọrịta na nwanne na nwanne na-agbakarị mbọ kere mbọ bara uru ọnwụ mbọ ka ịrụrụ aka n'ihi na ụlọ rụrụ aka embasi gabanụ n'ọsọ mana ime nke enwe eziokwu kwụrụ n'ụkwụ gị gbapụta embasi ga-adọpụta gị ọ bụla eji na ọbara gị pasụ embasi.
God bless you. This guy is a very nice man.